So last piece of equipment for today in aircraft equipment. This is a Russian radio frequency control panel for the Baklan radio system. It is a very commonly used radio system in lots of passenger aircraft from the Russian Federation. So you have a very simple device with frequency switch, function switch and volume control. Here is the rear side. So it says Baklan PDU36, serial number 34080. You have some plug, almost sub-D kind, but with 3 rows of pins. So let me show you the inside. So it is quite easy to open. There is a metal cover with 2 screws. So here is the internal construction. You can see it is all made of metal. Quite a serious construction. You have here the potentiometer, the switch, the plug and all the mechanism for the indicators and some switches inside here. There are brass gears and die-cast aluminium structure. So here is the Baklan radio frequency indicator control panel, made in the date code of the potentiometer is 88. So it is late 80s probably. Not very old, but this kind of equipment was made during a long time. Thanks for watching.